Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you two simple ways to pin a specific Google Chrome user profile to your Windows 11 taskbar. So first open Chrome profile and then you click on your profile icon in the top right to switch to other Chrome profile whichever you wanna pin. Now click on the Chrome icon in the taskbar. You see this is the icon. Just right click on the profile name and simply click on pin to taskbar. Okay, now it's pinned. That's it. Okay, and method 2 is using desktop shortcut. Okay, you can create a desktop shortcut of your Chrome profile and pin it to the taskbar. So you have to click on this icon, okay, and click on customize profile, and here scroll down and here you see create desktop shortcut. Okay, just enable it and in desktop you will see a shortcut for the Chrome profile. Okay, now right click on it, go to show more options, and here you can see pin to taskbar. Okay, and here you can see it's pinned in the taskbar. So we saw two methods to pin a Google Chrome profile into taskbar in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.